Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys, it's Solar Sunday, so we are going to do stage 5 of our Orrery, and yeah, more cogs today and screws, but I'm loving this build. It is absolutely fantastic, and I'm learning something, and today I've learned something I didn't even know about, so every day is a teaching day. But yeah, it's coming along beautifully. Is this? This is stage 5. We've got 12 stages to do. So yeah, we're nearly halfway point on this build, which is really, really exciting. Anyway, let's get over to the build table today. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay guys, so stage 5. We're actually working on, I'm sorry if I get this wrong, Ceres. It does give me information actually. It says Ceres is a dwarf planet in the middle main asteroid belt between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter and must be included in the solar system. It was the first asteroid discovered in 1801 by Giuseppe Piazzi at Palermo Astronomical Observatory in Sicily and announced as a planet. Never heard of it, but there we go. Okay, so we need to start off here. So we need these two pieces first of all. Now it's asking us actually to put in some grub screws after I've done this. So we're putting this plastic section into the middle here. And then to hold this in place, we need to put in a grub screw using my Orrery screwdriver. Feel that tighten, which is great. Okay, so that's in there. Now it's asking us to put another grub screw in. So let me get one of these loaded up. And this one is just to go in, just down into there. But we're not screwing this all the way in, because this will be for the rod. So that's now in place. Okay, so we need these two large cogs next. So we have the smaller one on the bottom and we have the large one on top. So I'm going to start with the larger one, making sure I line it up with the screw holes, and then all I need is a 6mm screw. I just need 3 of these, even though it's got more than what it should have done out there, but okay. So I'm just going to move that cog out of the way so I don't scratch it. So that's one in there. One on there. And just one into there. Turn this over. Now I want to match up the holes on this to the holes that we haven't screwed anything into it. And then again 3 of the 6mm screws. On there, just need another 2. Again, I'm not going off the videos now because I'm now got into the swing of the build. I'm kind of used to it, so I can actually work out what it's saying from the instructions. Okay, so this is the last screw to go in there, and that's what we should have. Okay, fantastic. So with that all in place, just move that to one side for a second, because we've got like the next mechanism. So we need this piece here. We need this, which is gonna, I always like to see which is the better side on this, which is that side. So this is going to go into there, and then this is going to go into there, just like that. Now on the bottom one, we need this smaller cog. So that's going to go into there. We do need to screw that down, and we screw that down with an 8mm screw. So this is slightly bigger than the others. And there's only one of these supplied. Now, I'm not a fan of when that happens. Right, it's gone back in. Just need to hold this just to get this screw in place. Nice and gently, because you don't want the screwdriver slipping and causing a problem. Okay, so with that in place, we need this larger cog next. And that's just going to sit on there like so. And then we need one of the 6mm screws to screw this in. Now just notice that it's not lining up with the holes on this one, so I just need to get it to line up again. Wow, it doesn't want to line up at all. Right, so let me take the screw out. Try and put this back on. There we go. And screw it down again. Very relaxing doing this. The only problem is it just keeps popping out of the pegs, which is slightly annoying. But that's in. Fantastic. Okay, so with that in, we need to put this now on the main body. So I'll just bring over the main body here. We're going to be putting this onto here. So first of all, we need a plastic washer. So this is just going to go in onto there. What I have forgotten to do, and my bad, is we need to put another grub screw on the end of here, because this is going to be held in with this grub screw. Okay, so plastic washer on. Then we need our cog section. Fantastic. Then we need this section here. I'm going to line up, double check we don't. Yes, we do. We need another plastic. I always forget about these plastic washers. We need a plastic washer there, and then this to come up and lock in. Now with all that lined up the way I want it, go to the top camera. So there we go. I want all these bars down this side here. Just make it look nicer. So I'm going to lock that in. Fantastic. This has come out of some... Oh, I know where that's come out of. That's not a problem. Okay, so we need to get our rod here, and literally I'm going to put this in place. So that's going to go down into there, and then somehow lock this in. Right, I'm on the grub screw. Okay, and that's in place. Everything's rotating. Absolutely fantastic. You might have noticed I've taken a couple off this because it's just easier to store. If not, I have to keep taking it apart every time. So I've actually got this cog here that would actually fit on. Put that onto there. Come on. So that would be, that's actually Earth. That's rotating there. But everything's in place and everything's where it should be. So we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Fantastic. And that's all there is to do in this stage. So that is Ceres or Ceres. Fantastic. Looking really, really nice. I'm chuffed with that. Yeah, just, yeah, don't like to get any finger marks on it, so hence the gloves. So guys, that is stage 5 complete. Well guys, that's it for stage 5 of the Orrery. Thank you for watching. Like I said, I never knew about that planet, or dwarf planet as what they call it. Yeah, really interesting. I'm learning something new every day. So yeah, happy days on this one. Now, I don't know if the next episode of this will be in 2 weeks' time, because we are approaching December, which is obviously a very busy time and everything. But if I can get one in, I will do. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.